really gotta do laundry today, guys. I really gotta do it. Make sure I do it. Want to say good morning, bud? Look at how handsome. Alright, so I'm down to my last pair of pajama bottoms, so I really gotta do laundry today, guys. I really gotta do it. Make sure I do it. I just spent the past 10 minutes combing my hair because my hair is so long now and it's thick. It takes forever. Does anybody else experience that? Because I'm like, is it just me? And I brushed it before I got in the shower too. Like, I always do that. I don't know if you guys do that, but that's like my strategy, is make sure I brush my hair so there's no tangles at all. Then I shower and then I comb my hair. And what I used to do too is I actually used to take a comb in the shower, and whenever I had conditioner in it, then I would comb it through, but I've just gotten lazy and just like, I haven't done that I don't think since like high school. But it did help, so maybe I should start doing that again. Alright, I'm pretty much done doing my makeup. I just have to put my liquid lipstick on, but I'm trying to get everything set up for my best and worst of e.l.f. video. And then I'll get the backdrop ready, so once everything is completely ready, then I'll put my liquid lipstick on, just because I want it to be perfect for the video. So that is what I'm working on right now, but I'm going to show you just kind of like my layout of all my products as I'm trying to prepare for the video. So like right here is the stuff that I really like a lot. I have the brushes that I really like a lot. This is stuff that I use quite frequently, but it's not like my favorite of all time. Stuff that I just don't really touch that much, not because it's necessarily horrible, but you know, I'm just not a huge fan. Stuff I don't like strictly just because they're loose powders. Some stuff that I'm still testing out, and then stuff that's just not good. So that's that, and then I'm going to start a new series too today, so hopefully get those 2 videos in, maybe another one, especially something for Beauty Vlogger 101. But yeah, I definitely want to at least film the 2 videos, especially because one I've been trying to film for like a month at least. But now I feel like this is a good time to do it. Oh my gosh, guys, I am so annoyed. It's like every day I'm ready to film, and then this problem happens. And you've seen it before. Why? Just why? And I even try to close these so the lines up here disappear, but then it's too dark, so it doesn't show up nicely on the camera. And this takes until about, it's like, what time is it? It is 10:51. Based off the last time that I had to film on a day that it was sunny, I had to wait till like 2:30 in the afternoon, which is really annoying because A, I'm ready to go. I just want to film. I want to get it out of the way. But also, like, I have health problems, so usually I end up feeling the worst after lunch and my afternoon snack. So I'm not going to want to film unless it's like I'm lucky and it happens to be a good day. So it's just like, you gotta be kidding me. So like, there's got to be a way that I can get this set up to work somewhere else in this room where the lighting is still good. I just don't know. I thought about putting it back here, but I think it'll be too far. It'll, you know, I won't be right in the direct sun, which would be good. I feel like I might be too far from the window where the lighting will start getting bad. So I gotta figure something out. Otherwise, I'm gonna have to wait till like 2 o'clock every day, or only film on days when it's cloudy. But I never know when those days are, and I don't want to have to be that dependent. It's one thing to be dependent on it being the daytime, but to also have to be, it has to be the daytime and it has to be on a cloudy day. The struggle is real. Mikey doesn't care though, he's a shrimp right now. He's just shrimping, my little cutie. Like, look at that. I feel better now. I'm no longer upset. Alright, we're gonna see how this works back here. I feel like it's gonna be too far, but at least the sun's not directly hitting it. Oh, here, let me open these too. I want to like block out light. I just need this to work. Just need this to work. Okay. So, you know what? This is not bad. I might just bring those lights over here, and then maybe I'll be good. Now, as you can see, the sun is really coming into the room, but not far enough to hit this. So hopefully when I record, it'll be fine. I'll do a little test run, but I may be okay. Only problem is this means that I will have to put this away before I go to bed. Alright guys, I think that we're good. I think this is working. Thank goodness. I don't like this setup over here, but if we can make it work, I'm happy. Alright, so we got some of the videos imported, some more are being imported right now. Michael's still sleeping, and I am working on making myself some lunch. Now I got this explosion of e.l.f. products, but I want to take a thumbnail with all of the e.l.f. products. I'm not sure exactly how I'm going to do that because I haven't done one of those in a really long time, and there's a ton, but man, it's overloaded, oh, this dresser. Okay, so I am about to film another video. So I changed my lipstick because the other one was not. I'm just not a fan of e.l.f. liquid lipsticks. They're just not good. So I'm going to go in with a ColourPop liquid lipstick. This one's in Clueless. I haven't worn this in forever, but I love this so much in 2016. Okay, so we got the lipstick on, and now I gotta film more. I gotta put my Canon camera together. Meaning I just have to put the battery in here. So that's super hard. So we got that going, and then I can film. I'm gonna film my new series, like it's gonna be like called Support or Refrain, Support or Reject, Support or Decline, something like that along the lines, where I go into detail about different brands, my experiences with them, and at the end of the day, do I support them or will I refrain from using their products? So we shall see how that goes. And here's Michael, still napping. Okay, so here is a behind the scenes look from my point of view, at least for this video. Normally I film closer to there, but we've worked this out, so now I'm back here. So this is what it looks like. So don't mind my messy bed. I really need to like clean so bad. Don't mind the bra. Alright, just finished filming for Beauty Blogger 101. I just did like the quick intro and outro. But I need to clean this room, guys. I really need to clean. And I need to do laundry. Eventually I need to clean my makeup brushes and do my nails. I'm always so busy though. I have nothing to do, and yet I have everything to do. It just takes so long to film and edit and then keep up with social media that like I push other things off. But this is my last pair of pajamas. So I need underwear too. So yeah, I'm gonna get on that. Alright, so as you can see, I was on Snapchat. So I was catching up on Snapchat while I organized my laundry. I didn't realize how bad it had gotten. So I ended up organizing it into piles. That pile I can't do because it's like white and nudes. I'll have to do that on a separate day. But I ended up organizing all the darks and medium toned colors into piles. So this is underwear and socks. This is sports bras. Those are pajamas, and those are non-pajamas. Oh, screw that up. This is pajama. So I have to do the pajamas. I have to do the underwear. And then with these, I might only pick a couple, and I might pick a couple from there. But I had to make sure that I get the important stuff done first, and then if I have any more room, I can add this stuff on. But yeah, I have a lot to do. But I don't know if you guys know, but I live in pajamas. I wear pajamas every single day, pretty much the entire day, because if I'm not leaving the house, what's the point? So I love pajamas, they're comfy. So that is why doing my pajamas is super duper important. But I do have like a lot of workout stuff that I need to clean too, and I work out a lot, but I'll get around to it, so, you know. And Michael's still chilling. So tired. You're having such a rough day, bud. So yeah, I'm pretty sure that's all I'm going to be able to fit. It's all of my pajamas and underwear and sports bras. Then I threw like a pair of shorts and a pair of pants and a top in there. But yeah, that's for later, but I still have this left. I'll have to do that on another day because the likelihood that I'll do that too is unlikely. Alright, so now that the washer is going, I've to deal with putting all of this away. So that should be fun. Decent amount. It won't take me too long, but I gotta figure out what I'm gonna do with the e.l.f. stuff because I want to take a picture of it, but I don't want it to get mixed up again. But I really don't see myself taking the picture today, so we shall see. So cute. So I just made myself a protein shake. Michael's still napping. You are the cutest thing ever. I can't stand it. So yeah, I haven't had a protein shake in forever. But I need to be healthy, so I finally got my protein powder in. I just put this post together for Instagram. I'm going to put it up on Beauty Addict next door so I can promote Vegan New in Beauty, which if you guys don't know, Vegan New in Beauty is my Instagram account. That's pretty much the vegan version of Trend Mood 1, where I keep you guys up to date with vegan and cruelty-free beauty products that are new or up and coming. And I'm only going to be include vegan and cruelty-free stuff, so you don't have to worry about like seeing stuff from MAC or any other brand that, you know, is not cruelty-free. So yeah. Alright, I'm going to end the vlog here because the sun's going down. It's that time of year when it's like 4:12 and I'm already going to have to end my vlog. But nothing really exciting is going to happen the rest of the day because I'm just going to be editing, working on social media, finishing up my laundry and whatnot. But thank you guys so much for watching. If you have not subscribed to my channel already, please make sure to hit the subscribe button below. Click that little bell so you're notified of when my videos have been posted. Like this video if you did like it, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye! I always use ColourPop liquid lipsticks, like every time I do my lipstick for the most part. I'm trying to like not do that. I'm gonna try this e.l.f. liquid.